So this is another little tip that's going to really come in handy. If you don't want to start a plant from seeds, you can start a plant that's already started. In this case, we're using a plant that started in dirt, and it wasn't started hydroponically. It's just one that you'll find at a nursery. You don't need to buy a big plant. In fact, it's better to buy the small ones. They usually come in 2-inch or 4-inch cases, and this is actually pretty big for it. The smaller they are, the less expensive they are, and so it's really nice to start with that. And what we want to do is we want to get this into the basket minus all the dirt. So let me show you how to do that. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the plant out of the basket that it's in. And I'm going to do this outside. You don't want to do this over your sink and get dirt in your sink. So we're going to do this outside for a minute. So the first thing you want to do is you want to just break it out of the container, and you're going to support the plant and you're going to support the root structure a little bit and just shake off the excess dirt. Don't pull it apart, just kind of get as much dirt off as you can. You want to do it outside, you don't want to do it over your sink. Just get that dirt off of there. So now that you've got the most of the dirt off of that, you basically want to take a bowl of just water, and that's fine. And you're going to take and you're just going to kind of dip this in there, and you're going to gently get as much of the dirt off of that root system as you can. And you can see, if you don't get all the dirt off, it's fine. Just get as much as you can get off of that. And again, you're going to see that's just the root structure of the plants. Be careful with it so you're not pulling it apart too much, but just kind of have it there. So you're going to just basically put that root structure in there and just kind of suspend it a little bit within the basket. And then you're going to take your beads and you're just going to flow them around, gently around the root structure there. And again, you should have plenty of beads for this if you've got an existing plant. There you've got a plant all ready to go. You can go ahead and drop that right in your Growfloat. So basically what you've got now is you've got the plant, and you've just saved yourself a lot of time waiting for seeds to grow with just starting a plant that's already underway. And you may notice some of the leaves will kind of droop a little bit, or they'll turn yellow, and you may lose a couple leaves, but it'll grab hold as those root structures start taking the liquid right from the nutrient solution. It'll start growing pretty quickly and do really well for you. So it's just a great way to jumpstart your system and have plants growing immediately as soon as you get your system. It's kind of fun to watch them grow that way. They'll take right off.